Hello friend, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back my another video. So today I came on solar complaint. Their solar system was not working before so long time. Let's check it. What is the problem? So I am checking the issues by a clamping meter. You can see. So I checked that both the volts and ampere are not coming from the solar panel. So let's check why it's not coming. What is the problem? So I go to the panel. There are two panel. Of each panel is 200 watts. Total these panel are generating 400 watts. Panel they connect them both in series connection. Always remember my words. Never connect a small panel in series connection. Now I change the connection. I have changed the connection on it. Now I have plugged it into the parallel. Well, I have put solution tape over it. So you can see the now MC4 connector of, because this is a negative MC4 connection and another one is positive MC4 connection. So after my connection I will put the solution tape, because if there will rain, so water will be in my wires, so maybe after few time it will be not working. So I have come down. There two are the positive. These two wires are the positive and negative wire of the solar. So now connect them and check their ampere. So now you can see its connection are connected in parallel, and 16 ampere are coming, which is very good. So let's connect it in PWM. You can see they have made a big mistake. They have taken load direct from battery. Never take direct load from battery. Always take load from PWM charge controller. So now something is very important for all person. I am now setting the PWM charge controller. This setting is very important for all person listening. You all should do the same. Push the menu button for few seconds. When numbers will blink, then you change setting by down and up button. After complete setting, again push menu button for few seconds. Setting will save. I install then after complete setting I will show you my setup, what I did. So now you can see cutoff volt, PV cutoff. Now I install one AC/DC fan and 4 DC lights. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my videos. If you have any question, you send me by comments. Inshallah I will solve your issue and I will give you answer your question. Please like my video, share my channel. So if you have any question regarding about PWM inverter, regarding about solar, please send me SMS. I will give you answer. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.